Hey all, Courtney here. It's nice to see some familiar names and faces from 501. Research methods, here we are. I candidly think that my initial ingrained response is oh no, not research methods. And then the second half of my psyche uh, steps in and was actually, I really like research and facts and math, and that's my inner Virgo slash right brain that enjoys all of the details. So, yeah, what's my experience with learning research? It actually takes me back to undergrad where I just studied behavioral neuroscience, so I had to take myriad of psych and chem and bio classes, but I had the oldest ancient professor who made us do ANOVAs by hand, and that was cringy. So I'm hoping that this class will be, yeah, a little bit better than that one. What excites me in regards to making learning research fun, always working with people, get to knowing other people, and just making an experience that we are together in. Yeah, which is a perfect segue into after viewing the syllabus. Yeah, I look forward to this group project that we have in the works, getting to know more of you. And truly, when we look at the practical application of social work in the real world, I, speaking for myself, know that I will be doing admin work and research and continuing education to just better myself in the field in the years to come. So I believe this course is great groundwork for that. See ya.